Meet DevTeam AI, your AI-powered software development partner. It helps team to develop ideas from the idea to deployment and makes development smarter, simpler, and more efficient. So, looking at this project, you would see that we have where you can. So, for this particular demo, I'm building a simple tracker, and here is the past conversations, as you can see. So, I will go ahead now to create the project, and here we have the decomposition. That's the orchestrator. So, it starts with decomposing that idea. So, you run that stage, and after running. So we have other agents like the PM agent, the architect agent, the CTO agent, down to the code reviewer agent. So after running, every stage requires a human approver before you can run the next stage. So I go ahead to approve and then run the next stage. The next stage, the PRD agent too. So it goes stage by stage. The architecture agent. So you run it also. It gives you the output. So it gives you the architecture around the system data flow and all. So we'll go ahead to run the next stage is the backend plan. So it draws up what the backend should look like. So that's what this particular agent handles. And we approve now and move on to the next stage, which runs the front end plan. So this generates the front end plan, tells you the necessary stack that is being used, and also suggests like alternative stacks that you can use just in case you want to change your mind. And you also have the privilege of requesting a change. So you can, from this particular agent, if you want a change, you can request for changes. So see, move on to QA plan to run the stage. So this is just for the quality assurance, and you could see the agent dialog. Yeah. So how each of the agents are interacting. So I can collapse the agent. So you can see the live workspace. At what time does each agent was it triggered? So you can track the timeline. Yeah. So this has generated an output. So we'll go ahead to approve and run the next stage, the CTO review. And here in the CTO review, it's going to give you things like if there are any risk, critical findings involved, if there are performance improvements. That's what the CTO agent is going to handle. So like this particular project, in talking of the QA coverage gaps, and I'll go ahead now to approve and run the next stage, which is going to be evaluation summary. So it just revises everything that's gone on. So you see that the negotiator agent was skipped because the issues raised by the CTO were not attended to. So if it was highlighted, the negotiator would have handled that negotiation. So this is code generation now. So this handles code generation.